Ako medyo talagang fan ako ng granting wishes of, different people, and nakakatuwa that Casino Plus really makes conscious effort to, not only give people entertainment in terms of gaming online and live, but also to grant wishes of people who are in need. Ayan, congratulations po sa inyo, and to everyone na hindi naman napalad na mabunot, don't be disheartened. Marami pa po kaming draws. Well, yung kanina, yung nangihingi siya ng washing machine for his mom dahil single parent na rin yung nanay, and 55 years old na siya, and up to this point, siya pa rin yung naglalabay, nakakaramdam na ng different pains yung kanyang nanay. Wish ko sana makapag-grant pa ng maraming wish. Siyempre, blue. Siguro my times alone. I think that's one of my most important times. Especially ngayon, mas na-appreciate ko siya kasi, very fast-paced yung buhay ko ngayon. I'm very much always out, always, on the go. I think you're at your age right now where you have to somehow solidify your goals and your plans in life. Ngayon kasi parang we're at an era na wala nang age eh. Parang wala nang at this age kailangan ganito na ako. At this age kailangan ganito. I think we're past over that. Actually, color game talaga, sobrang fan ako niyan even when I was young. So, madali lang siyang laruin, no-brainer siya. You just place a bet on the color that you wanna play, and then hintayin mo lang hilahin ng dealer yung string para malaglag yung mga squares and dice. So, I think color game is one of the simplest yet most entertaining and most rewarding game ni Casino Plus that I play at the moment. And to everyone who joined me kanina sa color game live streaming natin, I really had fun. Thank you so much for being with me. Also, dun sa mga nabunot natin sa mga wishes na nabunot natin for Casino Plus na i-grant natin, maraming salamat for sending your request. And of course, for more updates and details, please like, follow, and share Casino Plus PH social media accounts.
Casino Plus Color Game. Everyone can join.